Close your eyes and imagine waking up to the breathtaking view of Bristol every single morning. Now open your eyes to the reality of luxurious Regent Street BS8 student accommodation. Nestled in the tranquil neighborhood of Clifton Village, Regent Street BS8 offers a selection of contemporary one-bedroom studio apartments. Each room here is thoughtfully designed with a plush king-size bed, sleek dining area, a private and unit bathroom, and convenient kitchenette to ensure that you have the comfort and personal space you need. Did you miss the El Clasico match? No worries. Switch on the smart TV in your room and indulge in a delightful evening supporting your favorite football team. Furthermore, the property provides a complimentary on-site laundrette for all your laundry needs and a co-working space with free Wi-Fi to enhance your productivity. Regent Street BS8 also shares close proximity to prominent institutions like the City of Bristol College and University of Bristol, making it a popular choice among students. And thanks to the excellent public transport system, you could effortlessly explore Bristol's diverse culinary scene, vibrant nightlife, and cultural attractions. Whether it's savoring mouthwatering dishes at the Ivy Clifton Brasserie or basking in the fresh morning sun at Brandon Hill, there's always something exciting to explore here. So are you ready to take the leap? Visit amberstudent.com today and make Regent Street BS8 your launching pad for an unforgettable Bristol journey.